Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today we went to Tuesday morning. It wasn't kind of a plan, but we ended up there. Don't ask me how; it just happens. Um, well, see, I live here, and there's one right here, and then there's one right here. So, no matter which way we go, we run into one. It's actually three in Vegas, but one is closing, so um, they were going to close it originally, but they didn't. They just kind of cleared it out, and then they moved all of the stuff from one store to that one. So, at any rate, we had four. Now we have three. We're going down to two, and that's where it's going to sit. But we went over to Tuesday morning, and the first one we went to, there really wasn't a lot of stuff, so I didn't even bother to take any film there. But we went to the second one, and the second one, they had considerably more stuff in. I don't know if they just get more in, or if they had more when they transitioned back to selling craft supplies. I don't know. But there were a couple of things there that we looked at. I'll show you. It's in the video. I only picked up two things. One was a little bone folder for Amy, like my big one. I got a little version of that for Amy because she wanted it. And so I grabbed her that. And then there's a Bo Bunny that she loves. You guys know, it's the weirdest thing. As black as her heart may be, she has a soft spot in there. Just a little teeny tiny little fraction of her heart for Bo Bunny. And they have Willow and Sage, which is like one of her favorites. And they had the paper and the chipboard. They didn't have the stickers or the ephemera, but they did have the washi tape. So I grabbed the washi tape, and this will go in our washi tape collection. We kind of share washi. But I like the Willow and Sage as well, but I really am kind of a washi freak as opposed to everything else. So I grabbed this. I really love the Willow and Sage. It's kind of peach and mint colors. Anyway, this is 8 rolls of washi tape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls of washi tape, because 2 of them are just and it was $4.39. Number on this one, 2715904, if anybody is interested. And so let's take a look at what was in the store. Okay, hold on, be right back. Well, hello. Here we are. We are at Tuesday morning, number 2. And first thing we've got here is the Royal Langnickel, essential calligraphy set. $8.99 on this one. 21 pieces. And it comes with ink cartridges and the pen and a couple of different nibs. And it all comes in this cute little case. Got that. We have these little Crafters Essentials small bone folders for $4.39. I'm getting that. Okay, not for me though. Let's see what else. Okay, so we got this. This is from We Are Memory Keepers. It's a tassel loom, and apparently it looks like it makes 3 different tassels: a 2-inch, a 4-inch, and a 6-inch. So you can make your tassels. $5.49 on that one. Let's see. We have some paper. This is Kaisercraft paper, and this one is called Explorer, and it comes with a bonus sticker sheet included. There's the sticker sheet, and these are the papers. Sorry about the glare, guys. There's not much I can do. It's the harsh overhead lighting. So there's that. And they have this one. This one's called Flower Shop. And I'm pretty sure that they have the washi tape for this one too. Again, comes with a bonus sticker sheet. $7.49. So that one's kind of nice. Then this. Now this is also Kaisercraft, and this one's called Wandering Ivy. $14.49 on this one. says 48 papers. It's not paper. It's lightweight cardstock, but let's take a flip, shall we? Couple of photorealisms. Got that one. Let's see. I found these. These are Happy Planner Travel 5 sticker rolls from me and my big ideas. And this one is $3.29. So you get like the little travel things and little round ones, and then you get like all of these tickets and things. Got those. They had this. Lots of this stuff in. They're getting in a lot of these frames and tag sets. And this one's, I don't know. It says it's your birthday, but I know that's not what it is. Fish and Friends. So, you know, that's what comes in that one. And I found this. Now, I had the paper pack to this, but I sold it. But I didn't sell it. I gave it away for what I paid for it. But this is the ephemera pack for it. I didn't find that in the other store, but they had it here. Also, Sunny Days from Crate Paper. They have these stencil sets. There's 2 stencils in here. And these are like semi-sticky. And they're $3.29. Bo Bunny. Look at that. Yeah, you get the grass and the eggs, and then you get the legs and the ears. So you can build a little Easter bunny. It's kind of cute. And Willow and Sage from Bo Bunny. This is the 12x12 pad. And the price on this one is $7.49. These are the papers. We'll do a flip after I throw stuff on the floor. Amy loves this pad.
It's my favorite one. I wanted it before they went out of, they quit this craft stuff. I was saving up for it.
Yeah. And look, they have the chipboard for it for $4.39. And they have the washi tape for $4.39. And that's 8 different types of washi tape. Really cool. I kind of like the washi tape, actually. But that's it. That's what we found today. Excuse me, ladies. There are some other things we saw. They have the corner chomper and the hole punch eyelet setter in both of those. $17.99 on the crocodile corner chomper and $21.99 on the actual punch. They have in the triple corner rounder, the 3-way punch. They have this. This is like a layered circle, scallop circles for $17.99. They got that in. Lots of these adult coloring books. A bunch of those in. What else did we get in? I saw something else I wanted to show you guys. And I've lost it. Where is it? I'll find it. Well, I lost it. All right. So that's it. That's all I got for you. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. I do go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. And on Sundays, we play games. There's some prizes involved. It's not a big thing, but, you know, it's kind of fun. Let's see. I post videos twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays, typically. But, you know, it could be any day of the week, and it may be more than 2. But that's pretty much the standard. If you want to know the who, what, when, where, and why of my digital life, just check out the community tab here on my YouTube channel, or scoot on over to my Facebook group and check out the featured listings over there. I update both of those lists on the regular. Also in my Facebook group, we are doing a couple of different things. We're doing the hashtag Projects of 23 challenge, and that's kind of fun. If you want information on that, I'll have a video link in the description below. And we're doing some minute mysteries and things like that. So if you are interested in hanging out with a great group of ladies, go ahead and join the Facebook group as well. Until I see you again, my friends, stay well. Bye-bye.